you for the opportunity. Ajwapabi, I work at the Ghana Community Radio Network, and the Ghana Community Radio Network is a network of community radio stations in Ghana. At the moment, we have 10 on-air stations, and for this project, we'll be implementing with 3 of our member stations, who are along the Volta River, Radio Ada, Radio Tongu, and then Radio Afram Plains. And for Radio Ada and Radio Tongu, Radio Tongu is in the Volta region, and then Radio Ada is in the Greater Accra region. But then the Radio Afram Plains is in the eastern region, but they are all along the Volta, even though they are in 3 different geographical areas of Ghana. And they are in this project, and we'll be implementing the project together with them. And for GCRN, we've had initial programs with some of the stations on climate change, and we thought that is really a good opportunity for us to also include the Radio Tongu, which is a new radio station. They are now coming up, but then their communities are faced with these challenges of climate change, rising sea levels, etc. Even in Radio Ada, you can see communities that are almost being wiped away by the effects of climate change, the rising sea level, etc.
So what links this to convergence, radio and ICTs?
What links? Okay, what we have done previously, we didn't bring this issue of ICTs to, in the project. So this is a new thing for all of us. It's also a challenge as well. We see it as a challenge in that in the various stations, they don't readily have ICT accessible. But the simple ICTs like mobile phones and all that, sharing information, sharing their strategies, how they are coping strategies among themselves would really help them, and then they can improve on their own adaptation to the climate change phenomenon.
What do you hope to accomplish?
At the end of the day, I think that the basic thing is they would have built some resilience, on the climate change adaptation by learning from what other people have done, what their fellow community radio station or what their fellow community members have done in their own small way. And then with the bringing ICT in this, what is being done at the national level, then what is being done at their own small community level.
And personally, what do you hope to accomplish? What do you think you could gain from this project as a researcher?
A lot. I always say I really learn a lot from the communities. I think that the communities have so much that we are not tapping into. As a researcher, I know that I'm going to really learn more from what the communities are doing, the community's own initiative in adapting to climate change, and then from there also share with other communities who don't who will not be fortunate to be part of this project.